Hi, today I'm going to make some delicious, tasty appetizer just because the holidays are coming up. Today I'm going to make Philadelphia cream cheese stuffed mushrooms. They are absolutely delicious and perfect bite for your next party. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need mini bella mushrooms. I'm using here 680 gram. As you can see, I removed the stems. We're gonna chop them and mix it with the cheese and all the other ingredients that we have here. I have cream cheese and also I have goat cheese. So goat cheese is really optional. It's up to you if you want to use it. If you don't, it's okay. Here I have 2 tablespoons of black pepper. For garnishing, I'm using parsley here. You can use coriander or basil, that works as well. Next is Italian herbs. It's amazing. It has a lot of herbs, spices, and good flavors in it. Here I have salt. Just make sure you use just a bit of salt. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Here I'm going to just wipe the mushrooms with a damp cloth or paper towel. It's just because we don't want to run the mushrooms under the water because mushrooms are more spongy and they absorb all the water in it, and if you bake it, it's gonna turn more soggy. So just gently with a damp cloth, just remove the dirt. On our baking sheet, we're just gonna line the mushrooms. So we're gonna just finely chop the stems. We're getting ready for the filling. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can just like chop them the way you want. Alright, we're just gonna drizzle some olive oil, just a bit, like two tablespoons. We're gonna add our mushrooms. Italian herb and spices, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, just a bit of coriander or parsley, Parmesan. We're gonna mix everything together. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing just because of the Italian herbs. And now we're just adding the goat cheese and the Philadelphia. We're just gonna mix everything for 5 minutes and the filling is ready. It's amazing and cheesy. We're gonna cook this until the cheese is melted, and we're almost done. As you can see, we're gonna set this aside.
It smells so good.
It smells amazing.
I mean, you're like not even 3 minutes cooking, it's done.
Yeah, it's like 5 minutes max. Just for the cheese to, melt down. I would just transfer our cheese to a bowl just to slightly cool down. Amazing. My kitchen smells so good. So the filling is ready. I'm just gonna set it aside until it's cooled down a bit. So we're just gonna drizzle some olive oil. We're just gonna take our mushroom and coat it with the olive oil because we just don't want it so dry. It's amazing, you know, it's perfect for keto diet. A lot of people use this recipe for keto diet, and also it's amazing for holidays, you know, for gatherings. All right guys, so it's the fun part. Now we're just gonna stuff them. You can either take a spoon or you can use your piping bag. That's easier as well, but for me the spoon works too. So just fill it up as much as you want. Look at this goodness. Yum. And place it on your sheet and move on to the next one. That's a small one. This is also optional. You guys can use this. It's a mix of butter and parsley. We're just gonna dab it on top, just for the golden look. As you can see, they look absolutely gorgeous. It's ready to bake for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And don't forget to preheat your oven at 400. This super easy, delicious vegetarian stuffed mushroom will become one of your favorites, and it is low carb. You're going to love the simple creamy filling, the golden Parmesan top, and the classic stuffed mushroom flavor. Yep. These bites are heaven. Trust me, they are so creamy, they're buttery, they're juicy, so soft. They are amazing. So if you guys try this out, please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of it. And until next video, bye-bye.